Hello friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. This is MS Access Automation Session 7. In this video, I am going to show you how to write select query in MS Access using UiPath. So let me show you that. But before that, if you have not seen my previous video, I will recommend you go through all this video of this session. If you are getting any error while connecting UiPath with MS Access, you can go through my previous video. So let's start now. Let me open UiPath Studio. So here first I want to write a select query in MS Access using UiPath. So first, to write select query, we have to search for execute query. If you don't know which package we need to install to get this access, to get this activity, you can go through my previous video. You can go through the session 2 of this MS Access automation video. Now I'm going to show you how to connect and then start that. So first you have to click on configure, select this, click on that, click on browse, select that MS Access file, the database, click on test connection. This is succeeded. Now press OK, select the OLDB from here, press OK, and now from here you have to write a query. Now you can see I have this table. This is UiPath DB and the database name is UiPath RP underscore DB. So this is the table, and in this table I have 3 columns: ID, config name and config value. So I want to get this config value based on the website URL, this config name, right? And this is the table. So which query we need to pass? So we have to click on this SQL string and I have to write select config underscore value from UiPath DB table. This is the table, and where config underscore name equal to, and now you can see config name equal to website underscore URL. So I want to get this config value. So I'm going to write here in the single quote this one. This is done. Now it will give you a data in the data table. So I'm going to create one data table here, one variable. I can take this config. So I already have one config data table created here. So now to get data from data table, you can use for each activity, or you can directly use a write range activity to write somewhere. But I want to just get that value in one variable, so I can use here message box, so that I can show you how can we use how can we get that value same as the config dictionary. So to show that value, that URL, I have to write this is the data table of 0, row of 0 and column 0, like that. So it will give us from the first column and from the first row. So we'll be getting this google.com, because after passing this query here, our value will be this one, www.google.com, but that will be stored in the data table. Now we need to get from data table, we have to show in our message box. So for that we have to take like first column and first row. So this will be now on top and this will be the first column, right? So now let me run that, and you will see here we'll be getting www.google.com, right? This is the value. If you want to write this one, you can write to Excel as well using write range activity. So by this way we can write select query, select MS query, MS Access query in using UiPath. If you have parameters, you can pass here parameters. You can click on that and you can pass those value from here. Let's say for the parameter I want to pass config name. and then this will be, I want to get the config, that is name will be this one. Let's say I'm going to take this one, this one. So I'm going to pass this one. It means I want to get value of this fruit name. So I have to click on edit query, and now instead of passing this instead of passing this website URL, this one, delete this, and now we can use parameter. So for that we have to use add, this is @ and then we have to pass that config name, which is coming from this parameter, this one, config_name. So we have to pass that. Now save that and you can run that. We'll be getting apple here, right? So by this way we can pass parameter and we can pass select query here, and we can get value from this MS Access table. I hope it will help you. So please press the like button and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. And also I have started my new YouTube channel, that is Pandey 2.0. You can go through that and you can subscribe there. I hope you will like videos of that channel also. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your support.